Ever dreamt of making money in your sleep? Well, wake up to the reality of passive income. Welcome aboard a realm that has revolutionized destinies and holds the potential to transform yours too. We're not talking about instant wealth or get-rich-quick scams. This is far more potent. Passive income, the cash you without the need for active labor. It's the golden mean of financial independence and personal liberty. It's the money that keeps topping up your bank balance, even when you're not slaving away in a 9-to-5 grind. Picture this. You could be relishing a cup of coffee at a cafe, discovering a foreign city, or just catching that needed dose of sleep. And yet, your bank balance doesn't stop growing. It's a paradigm shift, a destiny changer. And the icing on the cake? You don't need to be a millionaire to kickstart your journey into the world of passive income. In the digital age, passive income strategies have become more accessible and diversified than ever before. The rise of the internet and technology has opened up a whole new world of possibilities. It has expanded the reach of individuals and businesses alike, breaking down geographical barriers and creating a global marketplace. Now, let's talk about how technology has revolutionized passive income opportunities. First, we have e-commerce. With the rise of online shopping platforms, anybody with a good product or service can set up shop and start selling to customers all over the world. From handmade crafts to digital products, e-commerce has become a popular passive income strategy. It's all about finding a niche market, offering value, and letting the internet do the heavy lifting. Next, we have content creation. Thanks to social media and blogging platforms, individuals can now monetize their passions and interests. Whether it's through ad revenue, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing, content creators can generate a steady stream of passive income by simply sharing what they love with the world. And the best part? These platforms are free to use and available to anyone with an internet connection. Lastly, there's online investments. The internet has democratized the world of investing, making it accessible to the everyday person. From stocks and bonds to cryptocurrencies, there are countless investment opportunities available at your fingertips. And with automated trading platforms, you can invest your money and let the system do the work for you. It's a powerful way to grow your wealth over time and generate passive income. The rise of these strategies is not just about the money, it's about the freedom and flexibility they offer. They allow individuals to earn income on their own terms without being tied down to a traditional 9-to-5 job. They provide an opportunity to diversify income streams and build financial security. So, you see, the internet has truly revolutionized the way we think about earning money. It's opened up a world of passive income opportunities, offering everyone the chance to take control of their financial future. But don't just take our word for it. Let's look at some real-life entrepreneurs who've made it big with passive income. Picture this, a young woman named Jenna, fresh out of college with a degree in marketing. She started out as an affiliate marketer, promoting products on her blog and social media channels. It wasn't an overnight success, but with persistence, she built a substantial following. And guess what? Today, Jenna earns a significant income from the affiliate links on her platforms, all while she sleeps, travels, or spends time with her family. Now let's talk about Mark. A savvy real estate investor, Mark saw the potential in rental properties. With careful planning and strategic investments, he started acquiring properties one after the other. Now, he has a portfolio of properties that not only appreciate in value, but also generate monthly rental income. The beauty of this? Mark doesn't have to actively manage these properties. He has a property management company taking care of the day-to-day operations. And then there's Sophia. Sophia used her expertise as a graphic designer to create digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, and design templates. She sells these on various online platforms. Once the products were created and uploaded, Sophia's work was essentially done. The sales rolled in, round the clock, from customers around the globe. Each of these individuals started from scratch, just like anyone else. They had a dream, a vision, and they put in the work to make it a reality. They found their niche, built their business, and now they enjoy the fruits of their labor. These are just 3 examples out of countless others. People from all walks of life, all over the world, are using passive income strategies to create wealth, achieve financial freedom, and live life on their own terms. So remember, it's not about working harder, but smarter. With the right strategy, determination, and a little bit of patience, you too can build a passive income stream. These entrepreneurs started just where you are right now, and look where they are today. Excited yet? Good! Let's dive into how you can start building your own passive income streams. The journey to financial independence through passive income is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires a thoughtful strategy, a dash of creativity, and a whole lot of persistence. Step 1. Identify your skill set. Everyone has a unique set of skills and interests. Are you a whiz at web design, have a knack for creating engaging content, or maybe you're a real estate enthusiast? Whatever your skill set, there's a passive income strategy out there that's a perfect fit for you. Step 2. Choose your strategy. Once you've identified your skills and interests, it's time to choose a passive income strategy that aligns with them. This could be anything from investing in rental properties if you're into real estate to setting up an online course or a blog if you're more of a content creator. The key here is to choose something that you're passionate about. After all, it's going to take some work to get things up and running. Step 3. Implement your strategy. Now that you've chosen your strategy, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get to work. This could involve setting up a website, writing an ebook, investing in stocks, or any number of other activities. The important thing is to stay consistent and keep pushing forward. Step 4. Monitor and adjust. As you begin to generate income, it's crucial to monitor your progress and adjust your strategy as necessary. This might mean investing more in a strategy that's working well or tweaking a strategy that's not producing the results you were hoping for. Finally, step 5. Be patient. Building a passive income stream takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay the course and remember that every little bit of progress brings you one step closer to your goal. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your passive income empire. So keep learning, keep implementing, and before you know it, you'll be reaping the rewards of your hard work. Now let's get to the main event. Here are the top passive income strategies that are making waves in 2023. First up, we have the digital art revolution, non-fungible tokens or NFTs. This is a booming digital marketplace for artists and creators. NFTs are unique digital assets that use blockchain technology to prove ownership. You can create, buy, and sell NFTs, making it a great passive income stream if you're a digital artist or an early investor in a piece that skyrockets in value. Next up is the evergreen dropshipping model. It's a form of e-commerce where you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. You simply create an online store, partner with suppliers who fulfill orders for you, and rake in the profit. Remember, the key to successful dropshipping is finding a niche product that's in high demand but has low competition. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending, is another popular strategy. It involves lending your money to individuals or small businesses in return for interest payments. Platforms like Prosper and Lending Club have made this process safe and easy, and the returns can be substantially higher than traditional savings accounts. However, like any investment, it comes with its own set of risks. Lastly, let's talk about online course creation. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not share your knowledge and make some money? Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare allow you to create and sell courses on a wide range of subjects. The beauty of this strategy is that once you've created the course, it can continue to generate income for years to come. These are just a few examples of the many ways you can generate passive income in 2023. Each strategy has its own set of advantages and challenges. So it's important to do your research and choose the one that aligns best with your skills, interests, and financial goals. So, there you have it. The top passive income strategies that you can start exploring right now. So, are you ready to change your life forever? Well, we've certainly covered some ground today, haven't we? We've delved into the power of passive income, showing you how it can transform your life by providing a steady stream of earnings. We've seen the rise of passive income strategies, revealing how they've become a crucial part of today's financial landscape. We've shared stories of successful entrepreneurs who've leveraged these strategies to build wealth and secure their financial futures. And we've given you a roadmap for getting started with passive income, providing practical advice on how to choose the right strategy that aligns with your goals. We've also explored the top passive income strategies of 2023, offering you a glimpse into the future of income generation. It's clear that the potential of passive income is immense, and the importance of choosing the right strategy cannot be understated. The world of passive income awaits you. So take the leap and start your journey towards financial freedom today.